I think, yeah. So you would have a very vast knowledge on the introduction of AI. So can anyone just tell me here, like, what are these AI tools and what are the ICT tools? Any difference or both are same? Because you would have heard these ICT tools also. Anyone here? Yeah. If not, just let me tell you. Yeah. I think already we all know the ICT tools, even the Google Classroom, whatever we are using, it is an ICT tool, information communication technology, ICT mean. So tool which we aids in our teaching practices, as we all are, all the participants here are the teachers of higher education. So Google Classroom helps you in getting so much of information from the students. They can submit the assignments automatically, we can award the marks there itself, and whatever the lecture notes, resource material, learning material, we can upload there. Students can go there and they can check, they can go through those things and they can submit their assignments. See, it is an ICT tool that helps as for the teachers. These days, there is so much of AI tools that are coming on, artificial intelligence, where it takes the data, it takes the previous data, it will train it themselves, and it will try to enhance the things. That is what these AI tools will do. So there are like so many quiz-based tools, like quizzes, Kahoot, so many tools. Even quizzes all comes under ICT tools, but there is an option of AI quiz, AI quizzes in that. So where you can automatically generate the quiz. See, normal quizzes or normal Google form, that what we use is what you are doing. You are taking a Google form. If you want to give a quiz to your students, see, we have to give the question and answers, and so that automatically it will assess the thing, right? Because if you want to do it manually, so you need to take a printout of these multiple choice questions, and again you should do the correction of all the papers. But whereas these Google forms helps you in automatically assessing your the quiz done by all your 60 students, 70 students, whatever may be the number of students. Whereas coming to these AI tools helps, see, AI based ICT tools, if you take any AI based ICT tool, it will automatically generate the quiz based on the topic you want. If you tell the topic, so based on the topic, we can have the quiz. So let's see those things. In my demo, let's see those things. So coming to AI, so AI in education refers to implementation of intelligent softwares or algorithms designed to enhance the educational processes. See, see these AI tools, how they are benefited to our educational purpose are, we can automatically do the grading and personalized learning can be done. See, because if you take all our classrooms, they, we have a diversified students. We have slow learners, we have fast people, we have good knowledge students are there. So it is not possible in the classroom to meet all the needs of the each and every student in the classroom. So you can use such AI tools, so that, see, this video material, you add some extra material in the Google Classroom, so that if a slow learner is there, he will repeatedly, he can go twice or thrice, he can go through the video or the PPT and he can learn the things, he can understand the concept. Okay, so that is how the personalized learning path, and also interactive educational content. So you can edit the things while seeing the video. In the middle of the video, you can have some assessment, you can have your quiz. So such interactive thing can be done, things. And even you can create a dynamic learning environment. It is not a fixed one, like taking a printout of so and so and doing the things. So dynamically you can change the questions, order of the questions from one person to the another person. So coming to this role of AI in teaching and learning. So here, if you see, I think this AI enables the teachers to automatically see same subject we may be teaching for so many years. We may be teaching for the so many years. See, there may be few things like the learning material. Of course, see, we should make a practice. I think already Srinivas sir from NIPA would have told you. If you are doing in one semester, if you are presenting a PPT, next semester you should do the modifications. See, it is not the same PPT that you teach for all the semesters. So like that, repetitive things will be there. So you can automatically do these repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus more on these instructional strategies and student engagement. And see, these AI tools, it will also help to provide the students with tailored learning experience and instant feedback, and these are very crucial for effective learning. Yeah. So here is a question. So what AI tools have been used? See, other than Google Classroom. Yeah. Can anyone just tell me the other AI tools or ICT tools that you have used? Anyone? Anyone from the participants? Hello? Anyone from the participants? Are you there?
Madam, I think they are writing in the chat box, madam.
Okay. Okay, let me check with the chat box then. Yeah. I think if I keep the chat box, oh, then the thing is, are you able to see the chat box also, ma'am?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Okay. So because I have shared, as I have shared the entire screen, it is giving you this. Okay. So yeah, Ed Puzzle. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. H5P. Yes. Wow. Nice. Nice. So yeah, so let's see the demo of few of these tools now. Prezi, Edpuzzle, let's see, so that it's not everyone can use. See, these are all like mostly you have the free version and the premium versions are also available here, but I think free version is fine, that can be used. So let's see these tools. Yeah. So coming to here, let's see the benefits of AI in education. See, as this is after office hours, so I am at home and so much of disturbance is going on with my kids. Yeah. So let's see the benefits of AI in education. Like what way all these AI tools are benefited. See, we can enhance our educational practices by saving time. You can improve the feedback, how students are understanding the concept. We can evaluate them automatically. You can grade them. You can analyze them. So such feedback you can get it, and personalized learning can be done by using these tools, and we can improve the student engagement. So I think these are all the advantages or benefits of having all these tools. So let's see some AI tools for this automatic assessment. Okay. See, firstly, I will just tell you the tool names, and later I will skip this PPT and let's see the demo of the tools. So I think if you see, this is the Google form. I think, hope already most of you might be knowing Google as you people are using Google Classroom. We know Google Forms. I think after pandemic, most of the faculty, everyone know this Google form. And yeah, let's see even an ed puzzle also. So ed puzzle is one. It will transform the video. Take any video maybe of your own content, or you can take some open sourced one from even a YouTube video you can take, and we can add some questions during that video, and you can assess the students. See, the thing is, if a student has to submit this assignment, assume you are giving a video assignment to a student. Each and every student has to completely see the video. Then only he can answer the questions, because the questions will be arranged in such a way that after 1 minute you may have one question. After some time you may have the second question. Like that, if the student will completely see the video, then only he can complete the complete assignment. Then only you can get the marks. See, that is how this is interactive quiz. And it acts also this ed puzzle. The speciality is it can be used even for the slow learners. See, for the slow learners, he or she didn't understand the concept. So in such cases, they can repeat the video for the second time. So, is there any question? I think someone has, yeah. So repeatedly, if a slow learner is there, he can recap, he can rewind, he can see the video once again, and he can answer the question, he or she. See, that is what the advantage. It acts like a personalized learning platform. So this tool provides the analytics on student engagement. So as a educator, as a teacher, we'll come to know how many students have completed the assignment. So that analysis, that complete analysis, you can get it. And we can understand, facilitate the data-driven instructional decisions here. And even quizzes is also one best platform. It's not only quizzes, you have some other websites too, like Kahoot, myquiz.org, like that. You have so many websites. See, anything you can use. And see, the best part of these things is even Edpuzzle or quizzes, you can directly assign it to your Google Classroom. You can create a quiz in quizzes, and you can add this into the Google Classroom. So let's see that. Once this was done, I will show you. Let's make a small quiz, and let's do that. So a Google based learning platform that makes it easy to create the quizzes and the interactive learning games. See, you can make the things. See, there are so many modes that comes in the quizzes, classic mode or a game based one. So making the things, because all the students now these days, if you see, these are all Gen Z students, where everyone are much acquainted with the computers, mobiles, and all the things. So they are interested. The students are very interested to play a game, rather than just giving them a question and answer kind of thing. So in this way, they can learn the concepts. See, when you make a quiz in the quizzes, it's not just only the multiple choice questions. You can add open-ended questions, short answer questions, fill in the blanks. Like that, you can add, you have different types of questions that you can make. And this platform, it helps you in enhancing the things. Of course, there are some game based concepts also that comes in quizzes, like you have boosters. For example, if you are if the student is doing it fastly, or if he has completed 2 or 3 questions correctly, then he get a booster. So that symbol or that badge, it helps to re-answer the wrong answer question. So like that, such things are there where students will enjoy the learning. So quizzes is also one thing. Even this platform, it provides the instant feedback and detailed analytics, and making the learning more engaging and fun. So this one also will give you the complete analytics, like which student has done how many marks he has got, which question it is wrong, which is correct. So all that instant feedback that you can get. And coming to these AI tools for content generation, so here I'm taking only few tools. There are so many other tools also, but I'm taking here few tools because what are all the tools that are here? So let's see the demo version of these tools too. So coming to these content creation, you have QueryPod. QueryPod is one excellent tool that anyone can use for making a PPT, for making your lecture notes, for making your presentations, for making your lessons. You can use these QueryPod. So it helps to create an interactive one. See, it is not just a regular PPT that you get. In QueryPod, you get assessment. So in the middle of the PPT, you have some questions so that each student, when he go through that presentation, so he will be getting some questions. So he will be answering, he or she will be answering, and you can analyze them. See, that is what is how the QueryPod presentation will be different from a normal presentation. Normal presentation, we just give the notes. But here, even see the advantage of this QueryPod is even you can upload our existing lecture notes, our existing PPT presentation, and you can it will automatically. This is also a AI based one. So which automatically add in your presentation, it will automatically add some questions in the middle of your presentation. Hope the things are clear. Am I connected with you all? Just checking my internet connections too.
Yes,
Yeah,
madam.
madam, it is very clear, madam, whatever you're saying.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah. So QueryPod is also one tool that but all of us can be use. We can use. So this will allows the teachers to generate the engaging slides with quizzes and polls embedded by enhancing the student participation and making the content delivery more dynamic and impactful. So you can make the students more see, because during the presentation we can know whether the students are completely going to the complete presentation or not. You can have some poll questions, some open ended questions. Even here also you have different things, multiple choice, yes or no, true or false, some open ended questions, fill in the blanks. So such different questions can be used even here. Another one is Canva. So even Canva, I think most of us will be using even for making brochures, flyers too. Similarly, even we can use, we have Canva Magic in Canva only. So where you can give the concept on which you need a PPT, and it has templates, you have flowcharts. See, you can make the presentation more aesthetic, more visually aesthetic presentation you can make. Even here you have AI assisted Canva is there, so where it automatically creates the presentations too. And I think no need to explain you this, ChatGPT, OpenAI, so everyone know. Here we can use for generating our lesson plan. See, because these days the things have changed. It is not the same lesson plan we should use for all the years. For example, if I'm teaching the same subject in the next year too, I can't use the same lesson plan because this happened. Because in my class, if you take an example, so this year in our college, in our department, we have one visually challenged student, okay, who is doing his mechanical engineering here in our department. So I am teaching to him to them now. See, I need to change my lesson plan. So what I have done is I went to this chat GPT and I said, like, see, my old lesson plan is so and so. How I can incorporate if I have some visually challenged student, how that lesson plan can be changed, because it is not the regular old students that I have. So like that, we can use, of course, these Chat GPT or Gemini. There are so many such similar Chat GPT tools that are available. We can use But see, whatever the things that we use, so here even that human element is also compulsory. Whatever you generate just like that we can't take, but only thing is, as a teacher, we know what should be there, what content has to be taken, what content has not to be taken, so that we'll be knowing. So these AI tools are capable for allowing the teachers to create a tailored educational material so that caters to diversified student needs and learning styles. So we can change the things based on the student need and based on their learning style. And even H5P, I think I could see this in our ChatGPT too. So even these tool also, these are all like different tools for content generation. And even audio pen is also a very simple tool. See, for all the previous tools, I think you need to log in, then only you can use. But audio pen, even without logging in also, without login also, you can use this tool. Only the advantage is like you can save the data if you're logged in. See, audio pen is a tool. It is a voice to text conversion. So maybe you may thinking like even in WhatsApp or even in mobile, if I keep on click on audio, I get the thing, right? But this is different. How it is different is, see, normally in WhatsApp, if you want to type, I think you can use mic button, and whatever you say, the same thing it comes, right? Even if there is a spelling mistake, if I say journal, it may take general or journal. See, there are, because from one person to one person the pronunciation may be different, but this audio pen, it will convert the text. See, it may be, see, I may have an idea, but I don't I'm not a very good and good in English. I have the idea concept, but I'm not good in generating the content. So in such cases we can use these audio pen. It will convert, it will rewrite, it will transcribe the data whatever you are telling, and it will rewrite and make it into proper sentences with proper English, all these things. So this audio pen, for example, it helps you to record the lectures or brainstorming sessions. So in such cases we can use these AI tools. So next, even we have these AI tools for feedback also. Like, see, these AI tools we can use for personalized learning. See, for example, like you have submitted, the students have submitted their assignment in the Google Classroom. See, I think you have an option of returning. I think those who are using Google Classroom, they know the things. We have an option of returning. You can give the marks back, you can give the marks back, and you can return to them. So that is how this personalized learning can, because from one person to another person, the assignment, if they are writing with their handwriting and they're making a PDF and they are submitting, so from one person to another person there may be the difference, right? So in such cases you can go through one by one assignment, and you can give the feedback, okay, personalized feedback to each and every student, and that will be posted only to that person, to that specific person. I think I will show you once we go through those demo point of thing. Next is, so even Grammarly, Turnitin. So these are also some softwares. I think those who know regarding this plagiarism check by using Turnitin. So this also, Turnitin also can be used for plagiarism detection. Like if you are asking the students to submit the soft copy of the assignments, so in such cases everyone can submit the same assignment. So in such cases we can use these plagiarism detection softwares also. And yeah, Google Classroom also, I think, as I said you already. So even this Google Classroom, we can personalizedly give the feedback to each and every student. Mentimeter. So Mentimeter also is one of the tools. There are some other similar tools also. Like see, where you can give some open-ended questions. You can, for brainstorming purpose, you, in order to know the things. So we can use these Mentimeter also. Okay, so maybe let's go with these challenges later. Let me go with some tools. Can anyone just tell me on which tool let's go first? Just please give me a minute. Can just tell me the...
Madam, Q report is fine, I think so.
Okay, sir. Let's go with QReport first. Yeah, all the tools, let's go one by one. So let me start with QReport first. Yeah. So hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So this is QReport. Actually, whatever the presentation that you would have seen, that I made it from Prezi. Prezi is also one tool. If you give the concept, it can give you the it can give you the PPT with nice figures, what pictures, images, and all the things it will give you. So these are some of the things that I have already used. Normally, once you log in, it will ask you to register. And so here already I have logged in with some mail ID. And here one thing I just want to tell you to everyone. So better don't use your official mail ID for using these free AI tools. Because as these are all free AI tools, so they may take our data also. So better use some different mail ID. Keep one different mail ID for using all these tools, so that we can avoid from that data privacy and all these things. So already I have logged in. So once you log in, you will be getting this my lesson, my report, collection, all these things. So let me go with home first. So already I am in home. So here you have an option to get lesson. When you see, do you want to create with AI? So here there are few different things. See here, build the writing skills. So learn and practice core reading and writing skills. So you can go here. Curify my slides. Already you have your PPT and you want to add, see, you want to add the assessment in your existing presentation. In such cases, you can use this Curified My Slides. Whereas generate a lesson is one where you are automatically generating a lesson, see, without any pre-knowledge, without any knowledge. If you want to generate the lesson automatically by using the AI tools, then click on here. Or you want to prepare, see, you want to do the things manually, then you can prepare for testing, you can use this one. So that okay, and this is to establish a daily routine. So you have different things. Let me go with generating a lesson. So when you click on this generate a lesson, so these are all like different subjects we have. Can you just anyone tell me some simple topic so that let's generate a lesson? What are you teaching? Any simple topic so that everyone can understand all the, because we have, I think we have a diversified discipline participants here. Any simple topic, can anyone just tell me?
Anybody from computer science or commerce background?
Anyone?
Yeah, implications of GST.
Implications of GST.
Yes.
So you can give the grade also. You have different grades like thing, English, and see, I'm making it a simple thing only just to show you. So let's see, generate the, sir, even in this implication of GST, can you just tell me what are the subtopics that you want, sir?
Yeah, it is like firms to the firms and to the individuals and to the companies.
Okay, so you want to differentiate GST to firms
Individuals, firms, and companies.
Individuals, firms, and companies, and that too implication of GST, let's say in India. Okay. If you want, even here, see, I think already we know we have the course outcomes, right? Course objectives in our lesson plan. For example, if you are teaching to a classroom, in a classroom, so you can give the chapter name, what are all the subheadings that are there in that chapter, and even you can give the outcome. See, what are the student they are able to gain after completion of that. So that thing can be done so that it will generate. Okay, so just I'm giving like this, and you can create the lesson. Get a lesson. So it is detecting the pedagogy, topic, and learning activities, and it is adding the interactive activities. Like in the, see, it will give you the information, and also it will assess the students who are all going with this PPT, with this Q report presentation. So they will be assessed also. And now it is personalizing the lesson for me. Yeah, are you able to see? So this is implication of GST in India. You could get it. So this is the slide one. See, you can do the changes also, but let me go with start now first. Let's see how the original, this is AI generated one, right? Because are you able to listen the voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if you want to see the same PPT in your, if you want to see the same PPT in your thing, you can just scan here. If you have the QR code, can we do this activity, or shall I skip?
We are doing it, madam. We are trying.
Yes.
We are trying it.
Okay, maybe let's skip this one. Let's do the next activity then. Let's at least one activity. I think, yeah, people are joining. Okay, fine. Request everyone to join. One thing is, you can go to query.live and use the pin 125985. Or if you have your QR scanner, directly scan this QR code. Is that okay? Shall we continue? Yeah, I am starting because let's not waste much time because so many things are there to tell. So let me start here. Yeah, so we are starting my presentation now. So I think, are you able to see now? So here.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yeah. So I think even in your mobile also you would have got implications in thing. So it is asking the question. So you can tell the concept of this to the students, and here it is an open-ended question. What do you know about the goods and service tax in India? So we can start the activity here. If I click on start, see, whatever you are seeing in the PPT, this is my screen as a teacher, and the screen, whatever you are seeing is like a student. For a student, it appears like that. When I start the activity here, I think you are able to answer now. Actually, I forgot to do the settings now. If I would have done the settings, this music, all these things won't come. So request all of you who have joined, they can answer to this question. And who didn't join, just go to curie.live website, and the pin is 125985. 125985. Go to curie.live and pin. Even now you can enter this activity. Shall I stop? Yeah, I'm stopping this activity. Yeah, it has ended. Only one answer. I think only one person has answered. So like that, we can do these things. So prayer knowledge, all these things, let me skip these things. See, I'm not going these things. Just let's see now this part. Like, see, it has automatically given. See, GST was introduced in the year 2017 because, as I said, in India, so it has given with respect to India. If I would have stopped that, it would have given something differently. And what is the impact on individuals? And it is asking, can you name some products that became more expensive or cheaper? I think every year there are a few things for 5% GST, 18% GST, few things will change. I think most of the commerce people, faculty who are here, they might be having much idea. So impact of films, GST and business size, and has GST been beneficial or detrimental to the Indian economy? Okay, so like that, you can have different activities. See, it is a bar graph based one. So you have three options. So you can choose, the student can choose any one option and it will give you the graph. You can have the comparison. So like that, you can have the thing. So this is learning with, see, engagement. You have the assessment also. You are getting the concept here. You are learning the concept. And even you have the assessment part here. Okay, so even not only that, you can have a flow chart also, where each and every student, like how we use Jamboard. I think Jamboard is also one related to our Google tools. We use Jamboard, like few people can collaborate on one project. Similarly, even here also, once I start the activity, each and every student, they can draw something and they can complete the flow chart. So such things can be done. So let me go back with our normal. Just a minute. Let me hide this meeting. Okay. I'm hiding. Okay. Let me minimize this. Yes. Okay. Now there is no disturbance of that. So even here also you can off the video and you can change the settings. I want to end the lesson now here. Yes, I am ending the lesson so that I will go back. See here, this is the assessment. I think only one Swapna ma'am has only done the answering. But even if all others have answered, it will give you like how many of you in the classroom, they have gone through that video, they have completed the complete assignment. So that part, you'll be knowing it here. Let me hide this one. Yeah. Okay. So this is how you'll be getting. Even student wise also, like each and every student wise, you can know what are all the activities done. So like that, you have a my lesson option. This is my personalized one. My lesson, my reports are all the things which I have generated. See, this is understanding metals and non-metals because I teach materials engineering. So this one I used for my students. These are all my lecture notes is only like how I teach for, because as I belong to this associate director for this Malivya mission. So regarding this NEP document, what these things. But this one is my class notes, my lecture notes. So like that, we can have even my reports. So later also, if you want to assign the marks, you can do. Okay. So this is regarding the query part. And let's see one more. Maybe first I will show you this audio pen. So coming to this audio pen is one, as I said you, audio pen uses our microphone. Okay, so that is the reason it is asking me the permission. So here if we see, you can sign up or log into that, or even automatically also you can talk. See, let me talk about again the same GST. Please don't, yeah. So let me talk about GST. First of all, sorry, I am not good in this commerce or GST related, but let me tell you. Goods and service tax may be beneficial for the Indian economy growth. This goods GST was given for all the goods and services incurred in India. So something I have spoke. I'm stopping the recording button now. It is uploading whatever I told. It is uploading, transcribing, and it will rewrite, because I didn't tell correctly what exactly is GST. See here. Let me tell about GST. I am not an expert in commerce or GST, but here what I know, GST can help the Indian economic growth. GST is applied to all the goods and services in India. See, it has reframed my thing, and even it has given the title also. So this one you can copy it. See, if you have some idea but you are not good in proper English, so in such cases we can use this audiopen.ai. You can copy this or you can save it. But if you want to copy or save, again you need login. You have to log in. But here I have done this without logging in. Hope the thing is clear. Audio pen. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let me go with some other tool. Let's see, quizzes. So quizzes is also another tool. See, such tools we can incorporate in our teaching, in our normal teaching semester. This we can give as an activity to the students, so that this is one way of learning the things. See, this is one way of getting even attention from the students too. See, here already I have logged in. That's the reason I have already logged in here. If you want, you can just register and you can log in. As I said, you use a different mail ID other than your official mail ID here. So, and once you log in, yeah. See here, you have an option of library. So library already not only for giving the lectures like this, similar in my NEP, even for my classroom teaching also I will be using. See, heat treatment, these are all my things, unit 4 and 5. These are all normally I will be using for my class lectures. So here, like this, we can use already, yeah, even the reports based on that. Let me show you the reports. See, these are all the reports. See here, NEP ICT trial, some 14 participants, 28. This is unit 4 and 5. My 61 students. Actually, there are something around 63 students are there in my class on November 7th. In my normal regular classroom, in my regular teaching activity, I have done this one. So in that, 63% accuracy is there out of 100%. Still, people are not understanding. Yeah, there is one more iron carbide diagram where 22 students are participated with 82% accuracy. So we can analyze the things, whether the students are learning the concept or not, how much they are learning. So that complete information we can know. Okay. So these are all my activities. Okay, I can game schedule. Okay, you can scan them. You can screen them, filter them with different classrooms and all these things. And here, let's see, let's explore and let's make a quiz. Yeah. So once you go to explore, you have search for an topic. So let's try some other different topic. Can anyone just tell me the topic? I'm telling climate changes or environmental science. Is that okay? So let me say climate change effects, just because as everyone are concerned with that. Or like that, you can search your own quiz on your own topic. See, once I done that, see, I have got all these are already existing quizzes that are available in quizzes where other teachers like us, they have framed and they have made available to public so that anyone can use. See here, this is disaster management for university based. Even level also will matters. Okay, so let's take the first one, or see, you have another quiz, climate change quiz for a 9th class students. Okay, and this is for 7th grade, 4th to 5th grade. So like that, based on our student level, we can choose the topic. Let me take disaster management just to show you. Okay, it is not okay. So take this disaster management. Hope are you able to see? Yes, right?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So coming to here in the disaster management, see, this is already existing quiz, but I don't want all these 10 questions. I want only some 5 to 6 questions from this quiz. So here you have an option of edit. I think if someone is joining, I'm getting this panel board again. Okay, yeah. So here, copy and edit. So you can go to copy and edit so that you can edit the existing quiz. Okay, so this is disaster management unit 1. But I want to, if you want, you can change the name. Okay, let's see the changing later first. Yeah, see, out of these 10 questions, see the first question, some vulnerability plus hazard. I think, yeah, I don't want this question, or see, this is a disaster. Hazard is a disaster. Okay, let's keep this question. If you take the second question, I don't want the second question. See, you have different options. If you see here, for each and every question, you have a multiple choice, open-ended question, like that you have the options. And this is the time. See, for example, if it is a very long question, you need more time to think, then you can give the question for 1 minute. Similarly, if this is a very important concept or thing and is some problematic one, you want to give 2 points, you can give the 2 points. Even you have this AI option here. As I said, you see, quizzes is a ICT tool, whereas quizzes AI is a AI based ICT tool. Okay, so here what happens is, if I click on this AI, you can convert the question to, see, actually these things are for only premium version you can use, whereas you can convert the same question to fill in the blank. Okay, without giving any options. You can fix the grammar error, you can replace this with a similar question. Okay, or you can convert to a real world scenario. So let me try this. I want to convert this to real world scenario. See here, this is my existing question and this is the real world one. I hope you are able to see the screen, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is the existing question and this was AI enhanced. So it was generated with AI. see, during a recent community meeting, Saisha mentioned that a dash crisis is generated by natural and technical agent, disaster and conflict. So like that, it has made the question into a application oriented or a real world scenario kind of question. Okay. So like that, I want to apply this change. Okay. So now the question has changed. Whereas coming to this third question, I want to remove this question. I don't want this question. I will delete this. Okay. Similarly, fourth also I'm just deleting. Fifth also I'm just deleting. Okay. This also I'm just deleting. And another one, let's change. So here also, yeah, you can copy the question. You can duplicate the question. And if you want to make only few changes in the question, you can copy it and you can change the things. Okay. You can tag the question. You can edit the question also. Go to edit. Okay. You don't see, this is how, once you go to the edit, this is how it looks like. So I don't want this question. I want to edit the question to some other different question. Maybe let's make just a simple thing, 2 plus 3. So I'll give the answer. Okay, so this is some simple question that I have given and see answers are there. So here you have, once you see here, you have an option, single correct answer or multiple correct answer. See here you have multiple correct answers, right? So you can first see single correct answer means it is taking only one. Are you able to see a green tick here? So this is what the correct answer. If it is this only out of these 4 options, if only you have only one single correct answer, you can click on this. But here we have 2 options, right? 2 answers are correct. So in this case, you can take multiple correct answers, so that I think you know the difference. Circular option will give you for single correct, and if you have a box type, it indicates you have multiple correct answers. So these 2 are correct answers. So like that, you can save the question. See here, I want this question for 1 point and I want the time is for only 20 seconds and save the question. Like that, you can edit the existing quizzes. See, first question done, second question we have regenerated with a real world scenario, third question was done, and fourth I am deleting to make the things very simple. Fifth of this also deleting. Okay. See here, now you have the fourth one. Also I am deleting. Now 3 questions are there. Now I want to add few more questions. See here to add the questions, you have 2 different options. You have an option of add question, add similar question. First, let's see add question. I want to add a different question. Once you click on add question, you have an option, multiple choice question or this is disturbing me. Okay. So multiple choice or the fill in the blank. So let's take a fill in the blank kind of question now. So in the fill in the blanks, see, even you have so many, you can change the color of the text, bold, italic, you can make superscripts, subscripts in the things, you can insert an equation, so many things that you can do. Even you have time you can change. Okay. Even in the question, you can add an image also. See here, for example, you want to, I am just uploading some different thing. Let me see. Is there anything? Yeah. Okay. I got some mechanism. Just, okay. It is nothing related to our topic. Just a simple thing I have taken. I am saving it. Just to show you, not only a written based one, even image based questions also you can ask. So you have an image here, and here I am asking like as it is a fill in the blank. Maybe let's take a fill in the blank. What is internship or whatever. See, based on the things. So you can give some question. Okay. So you can ask who is the okay, who is our US president? Okay, let me give you a simple thing only. Just I'm asking you 5 plus 7. And here I need to give the correct answer. Okay. And next, it is a fill in the blank of questions. I assume this is related to this image. Okay. You can edit the image also. You can replace the image. You can crop the image. So many things you can do. And I'm just saving the question. Okay, so this is my fourth question was done with the image. So like that, so this is regarding add question. This is you are adding the question manually, whereas you can add a similar question also with AI. So this is what AI based one, as I said you. So it will read the first 4 questions. See, 2 questions are related to disaster management and these 2 questions are related to maths. Let's see how AI will generate the similar questions. Okay, add similar questions. Yeah, are you able to see? As the title is of disaster management, so it is giving you the questions on disaster management. See, so here in disaster management, so the term vulnerability refers to the potential of for loss of damage due to the hazard. So like that, you have AI based questions have come based on the topic. If you want to add, see, automatically by default, these 3 are added. If you want to remove, then you can remove. I want this first one, but I don't want the second multiple choice question. So in such cases, I can remove this one. Okay. And yeah, even this question I want. Okay. Let's keep these 2 questions and let's make the save changes. Even go to save change. See here, automatically, these are AI generated questions they have added. We have added. Okay. So like that, you can take the existing quiz from the library, or you can make a quiz of your own. Okay. Or you can use even 1 or 2 questions you can make and you can ask AI. You have a quizzes AI, which even give you the similar questions. See here, I can ask add similar questions. Again, it is generating. See, again, it is generating the quizzes. But here I don't want now on disaster management. I want discard. I'm just discarding it. Discard. And here you can add. You can ask for a concept. Even in disaster management, or can you just tell me any other topic? So let me take. So in disaster or climate change or something like that here. And search. See, till now the questions are related to disaster management. So here, so again things have changed. So like that, we can ask the things and you can add the questions. Okay. So here, like this, we are doing the things. Let's have only 6 questions now. And once your things are ready, you can see the preview also. You can make the changes in the settings. Let me change the settings now first. So in settings, see whether you want to change the name or you want to keep the same disaster management. So let me keep it as AV College. Okay, or something. See, it may depend. Trial 1 like that. And subject is education. See whether it is whether you for which level of students you are teaching. See why it is asking all these things is so that it will save the data in the library based on the grade, language, and whether it should be publicly visible or restricted. Normally, if you go for the premium version, then only you can restrict. But usually these things are anyone can search. That is the reason, hope you would have seen in my previous slides, I have used the word unit 4 and 5, because our students, our engineering students, I think everyone are so sharp these days. They know most of my quizzes will be in quizzes. So they are searching based on the topic. So that's the reason I will rename it. I am changing the name and I will be doing. So like that, you can publicly do the things, and you can, publicly visible, you can highlight that one, and I am saving this. And once I save, you can see the preview also. Let's see the preview first. Okay, so this is how the preview, nothing but for a participant's view. Okay, are you able to see here participant's view? So for a student, it is how he choose. So you can see the preview. Okay, vulnerability plus hazard, nothing but disaster. So next, so like that we can see. So this is 2 plus 3. Okay, so this is how the quiz looks like for the participants. So once it was done, you can close this. So once you are satisfied with the number of questions and the way they are, the sequence, now you have an option to publish. You can publish this one. Hope the things are clear. Yes, right? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So like that, see, quiz may be any topic of your choice. And once you publish the thing, so this is how it looks like. So now you can share it to another teacher also. If you want to share, you can share it to the another teacher. You want to share with your colleague, you can share it to the teacher. But they also should have the quizzes. They also should have the quizzes account. Or you can copy the link and you can share it to them. Okay, so like that you can do. Even you can save it so that it will save it to our, even while saving also, you can use a different folder and you can save. And once you save, you can download this as a, so you can download this as a worksheet also. Okay. You can download the whatever the 6 questions that we have written. You can download this as a printable version. See, are you able to see the free printable questions? You want to give it like that? See, you can give for the students also. You can print it or you can play like a game. It's up to us. Okay, so even here, for example, if you want to print this and if you want to send give it to all your students, you have an option. You can have shuffle answer, shuffle questions, so that for the roll number 1, see, 2 plus 3 is the third question, right? The third question that was there. So for each and every student, they will randomly jumble. They will just shuffle the question, order of the question, and even they will shuffle the answers also. So that roll number 1 will get a different question paper, maybe same set of questions, but the order will be different. Okay. Even answer key, font, like that, you can do the things, do the changes. Okay, so let me close this. Yeah. And now, so let's see, start now. I am starting the quiz now. Okay. Before starting now, let me show you assign. How to assign the things. Yeah. Now I have assigned. See, I am assigning to here. You can assign this activity to only one student or to complete the classroom. So if you see, you have the options here. You can add the email IDs also. I am just continuing here. So once you continue these 6 questions, whatever the AV College Trial 1 quiz is there, set a starting time. See, if you are giving it in a classroom, that's fine. You can create the activity and you can start the activity automatically. But for example, I want this activity to be done after 7 o'clock because now our session is from 5 to 7. For example, I want to take the feedback from this session. So in such cases, I want to start this quiz at 7:30. So like that, you can set the starting time also. See, 7 p.m. by default, it is 7 p.m. So for example, I want to give after 7:10. After 7:10 p.m., automatically it will come to the Google Classroom if I am assigning that. So like that, you can set the time. Okay. And participants' attempts also, whether each student has to attempt only once or unlimited times. Okay, so unlimited time means, see, for example, you are not assessing the things. Only thing is the students want to learn the activity, learn the concept. In such cases, you can give them unlimited acceptance, unlimited thing. But whereas no, you are assessing, it is an assignment that you are giving to the students. They are writing the quiz. In such cases, you can ask to register so that, but only thing is they should log in for this one. They should log in, then only they can attempt the quiz. That is only the difference. If it is unlimited, without logging in also, just directly they can submit the quiz. And even you can have a deadline. So it starts at 7:10 and when it should be submitted by 9 o'clock, by 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, whatever. So go with no deadline instead. So if you want to give the deadline, you can give. If not, no need. And see here, you can select a class also. For example, this one, I want to give it to my students. See, hope you are able to see. Can anyone just tell me what is this symbol? This green symbol?
Google Classroom, ma'am.
Yeah, Google Classroom. So like this, so such a quiz, we can directly assign it to our students also. Our students in the Google Classroom. See, that is the advantage of these tools. So it will enhance, because normally if you want to Google Classroom, in Google Classroom, if you want to make a quiz, you should use the Google form. Google form means, again, manually you should give the questions, right? You should type the question, give the options, and you should give the option of shuffling the question, all the things. But whereas this quizzes automatically does. And one more advantage of these quizzes are similar apps. I'm not just only talking about quizzes. You have Kahoot, myquiz.org. These are all different things, different websites. Everyone similar websites. So here you can assign this to the students also. So I can just, I'm clicking here. I don't go. Yeah, you can give the assignment title. Because see what I'm doing, whatever the quiz that I have done, I am assigning this quiz to a Google Classroom so that I no need to start automatically at 7:10. I think, have you seen the time? We have set the time at 7:10. See, I am assuming that my normal regular students are listening to this class now. So after completion of this class, they want to submit that assignment. So in such cases, yeah, you can give the assignment title. I can give a description of that assignment. See, and even this instruction was given. This game starts at 7:10 p.m. on January 25th. Default, whether the grading is default or out of 200, maximum marks how many, and next, like that you can do. But I'm just stopping this one because our students may get confused. So like that, you can assign. The advantage of this quiz is you can assign it to your regular Google Classroom. Even specifically, I want to send it to only few students also, you can send. Okay. Like that. And yeah, even redemption of questions. So allow the students to reattempt few questions. For example, you want to just know how the students are learning the concept, whether to understand our pace, our thing or not. In such case, you are not doing any assessment like normal regular assessment, like for 10 marks, you are awarding marks, not like that. In such cases, you can add this one so that it acts like a game to the students, so they can reattempt the incorrect questions also. So while running the quiz, if they made any mistakes, so they can go back because they get some boosters, so that they can go back and they can correct the answer once again. So such thing you can enable it or you can disable it. Okay, so like that, you can redeem the questions, and even question and answers also. You can validate only or on or off. You can keep. You can shuffle the questions, shuffle the answer options, and power-ups. Yeah, power-ups, as I said you, these are the boosters. If everyone in the classroom, if you are giving this quiz, if the student who submit faster, see, two students are there, two are scoring same marks, but still only one person will be the topper, because then it will calculate even the time also, how fastly the student has answered. That is how these power-ups, leaderboard can be seen, so that students will know who is fast. It is something like a game, like if collaboratively few people are playing, so it is something like a game. You can play the music or you can stop the music. Okay, you can enable, you can show the memes, like see, for example, if there is a mistake, oh hooray, there was error, something like that. You can give these memes or without memes, and you can assign it. Okay, so once you assign, see, this is how it looks like. See here, so this is the game code, joinmyquiz.com, and the code is this one, same like a query pod. I think now how you have joined that query pod, this is same way you'll be joining. Or I will copy this one and I will be pasting it in the chat box, or I may post it in the Google Classroom. Okay, because see, the advantage here is no need again to start at 7:10. Automatically it will start in Google Classroom at 7:10, and at 9:10 it will end. Okay, so that is the advantage if you align directly the quizzes to our thing, Google Classroom. So like that, even once you are done, let me show you one report. Okay, so that you'll have the idea like how the report will be. Yeah, so are you able to see this? These are all my students. So these are their roll numbers. Actually 6081, 86, 57, 20. These are all their roll numbers. So their name and their roll numbers. So that is how even I can download them into an Excel sheet also. Okay. And the advantage is if I align it to the quiz, the Google Classroom, so there itself I can grade them. I can grade in the Google Classroom itself. So like that, these are their roll numbers, and I will be knowing like how many marks they got, all these things. Okay, so this is regarding the quizzes. I think, yeah, we are almost running out of time. Let me go with some other tools. There are so many tools now. Okay, so this is regarding that quizzes. And the next is, let's see, chat PDF. So any idea on chat PDF? Any one of you? Anyone? Anyone?
No, madam. Chat GPT, we know, but not PDF.
Okay. So yeah, I think, yeah, everyone know chat GPT, but let's see chat PDF. This is also one more tool that can be used. This is also one more tool that can be used. Yeah, I think here we need to sign in, then only it will work. So let me sign in here with some mail ID. Normally for all these tools, I use a different mail ID, one specific mail ID for all these things. Yeah. So Chat PDF is one. So chat PDF is one. So where you can normally for research purpose, this will be very useful. Or even as a teachers for in order to know what is there in a e-textbook, you want to know the concept, you can know. Let me try once here. So you can go to new chat. I think, yeah. So let me take, yeah, some tools here. Some Edpuzzle, some steps are there. Yeah. So some small PDF I have shared regarding Edpuzzle. So which is our next AI tool that we go with. Yeah. So these are like some steps that are followed thing. So actually, instead of this, okay, let me take the NEP only. Some, I think, hope you all know National Education Policy, this thing. So let me go with this PDF. So this is our NEP document, NEP 2020 document. I think most of the things that are going on related to this NEP. So let's know what is the role of a teacher to this NEP 2020. What is our role as a teacher of a higher education? So what is the role of our teachers? So with context to this PDF, see, it is not like ChatGPT which give you in general. It will read from this PDF, it will read the complete PDF and it will give you the context. See, I am giving you the question. Hope you are able to see this purple color icon here. So here I am asking, what is the role of a teacher? With respect to NEP 2020. Okay, so actually there is a mistake here, but I think it will understand, because even this is the AI tool. So this is also the AI tool. See, us. Hope you are able to see the chat, right? See, this is the answer for the question, whatever we have asked. See, this is with respect to this PDF only. It is not giving in general from the different data. It is only giving with respect to this NEP document. It is some PDF with 66 pages. So, see, what is the role? To facilitators of learning, continuous professional development, and I'm able to see some 1844 here. See, this is the concept based on the page number 18. For example, if you want to know much about this, you can scroll so that it will go to that 18th page. We see it is going to the 18th page. Okay. So 18th page, it talks about, see, this highlighted portion. This portion talks about this one. Whereas, let's take assessment and feedback. As even we are also talking about assessment. See, let's spend development, inclusivity, and let's see, community engagement. Like that, these are the page numbers of from this document. So from the 44 page, it is telling. So the role of one of the roles is to the community engagement too. So that is how I think this one use for summarizing our journal papers. So in such cases, of course, there are so many things. Of course, we have these days some softwares which are even detecting AI-based generated text also. But just to compile the things, you don't want to read a complete PDF. You want to know the content, whatever is there. So in such cases, you can use this chat PDF. So where you upload the PDF and you ask the questions and it will answer from that PDF. Okay, so this is another tool. And let's see one more tool, Edpuzzle. Have you gone through Edpuzzle? If not, I will skip. If you have already covered Edpuzzle in the previous sessions, I will skip. Yes? Is this covered? Anyone?
Yeah, not fully, madam. It's just introduction part. We know the
Okay.
basic.
Okay. So let me show you a simple thing. Maybe shall we do a simple Edpuzzle one?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let's see a simple video on maths. It's already there. So even here, see this Edpuzzle, quizzes, QueryPod, all these things you can bring to our students. See, are you able to see? This is my Google Classroom, the MME 2324. This is my one of my classroom. So I can automatically make a video here and I can assign to them. So let's see a simple video just to understand the concept. See, you have different things, technology, engineering, so many things are there. Let me take maths, very simple one, a grade of so-and-so. See, this Edpuzzle, you can even use it for engineering, universities, PG, UG, for all the things. Okay. But here, just to explain, let's take a very simple thing. I'm just taking a 4th class grade or 5th grade one. Okay. Okay. I'm just saving this one. So like that, you can take the videos and we can edit things. Let's see a small video, simple video. I think this is fine. Shall we go with this? Yeah. So let's go with this, or a logical reasoning will be fine. Number system, 8 minutes. Okay, let's go with this one. It's a simple 3-minute video. Are you able to see? This is just a 3-minute video on understanding the elementary shapes here. Yeah. So this is already the existing one. So this is the version we have. Yeah. So while playing this video, you can add. So let me edit first. Let's go to edit. So I have edited. See, presently we are in the edited mode. See, you can take your own video, or you can take your own YouTube channel video and you can do this, or you can take even others videos also. So here, after taking the video, whatever the video that it is, so you can play the video and you can add some questions in the middle.
So this lesson is dedicated to shapes, the various type of shapes that we see around us. So on the screen, you see many different shapes. Something in the shape of a star, shape of a triangle, the addition shape, the circle. So the cloud shape. So they are all variety of shapes, but all of them are different from each other. So what makes them different?
Okay, I am adding cut. I have add cut here, and here I want to add a question. Okay, are you able to listen to the video? Is it audible while I played that video?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, so as they have named a few shapes, so let me ask like maybe a open-ended question only. Let's make a open-ended question here. Like, name some shapes. Okay, so that you can allow the student for giving an audio option, or you can ask them to answer the question. Okay, like that I'm saving this one. It is an open-ended question, just they will answer. Okay, if not, you can have a multiple choice question also. So now again, let's play again.
Their size, their pattern, the way they are. So all of these make them very much different from each other. So we are going to talk about
Anyone just stop me in the middle and give me one question while listening this thing.
many such elementary shapes, the basic shapes from which all other variety of shapes are formed. So let me talk about some examples that we see around us where we have some specific shapes in use. Look at your notebook. So when you look at your notebook, the notebook itself is in the shape of a rectangle. Now, when you look at each sheet of the notebook, you see that there are lines drawn, like especially the lined notebooks. So what are these lines? So these are nothing but the line segments. So basically, what are lines or line segments?
Can anyone just tell me one question from this? Okay, so examples of rectangle. So let me give examples of rectangle here. So textbooks, what else? Wall, something. You give some questions, you can add also. So you can add the answer, you can add the option. And what is the other one? Tell me, mobile. So something like that. And here my answers are, multiple answers are there. So I can give the correct answer also. See, like that, you can have the questions and let me start question. Okay. And why the save is not coming? Yes. So this is the correct answer, right? So I'm giving the correct answer here. This is the wrong answer. So like that, you can have a one correct answer or multiple choice correct answers also. So let me save this question and
They are
again
they
move
are
on.
also elementary shapes. When you switch on a torch, a ray of light comes out of it. So what are these? So this is nothing but a ray of light. So ray again is nothing but a basic geometrical shape. Think of the door. So when you look at the door, the entire framing and the door itself, what is the shape? So when you look at its shape, just focus on the framing right now. So this shape is nothing.
Okay, maybe let me stop here. So like that, you can add any questions in the during the video, whatever the topic that you go with. So you can add any question here. What is ray? Like, see, what is the geometrical shape of a door? So like that, you can add any question here, anything. Even you can add a notes also. Notes is nothing but this, you can use it like a learning material to the students. You can assign this, you can give it to the students in the Google Classroom, so that they will go through the concept, they will understand, they will answer the questions. And even note is one, this is the extra information that you are giving to understand the concept clearly. Okay, so like that, even you can have these multiple choice questions like that. So, and I'm just finishing this one. Okay, finish. Even you can have these voiceover also. For the existing video, you can have your own voice. So I'm just keeping the same title. If you want, you can change. See, the version has changed. Initially, the version is by Priyanka Sharma, and this is by Dr. Nagaveni. So what I have done with this previous one, I have added some 2 questions. Okay. And now I can edit the quiz once again. I can share it for preview. I'm just sharing for the preview now. You can copy this one and I can paste it in the Google Classroom. Or I can assign this video. See here, I'm clicking on assign. Already this classroom is there. If you want, I can go to add new classroom and go to Google Classroom. So see here, these are all my other things, all my Google Classroom. Because see, have you seen, for all the other cases, I have used a different mail ID. So for this Ed Puzzle, I have used a mail ID, which is Priyanka Sharma. And this is Dr. Nagaveni. So where all my Google Classrooms are. So see here, for example, I want to assign this to some students, to some MTech, ME, PE regular students, to some PDPP subject. I can give the level, I can give the subject name, and I can import it to them, okay, which I am not doing now. So hope this is clear, right? Even I can click here because already this was added. I can add this and I can go to next. Okay, but I'm just removing this one, cancel this one. So like that, you can assign the quiz and you can know the things. Even you can duplicate this, you can add to the playlist. So like that, we can make use of this Edpuzzle. Okay, so I think with this, I have even other tools also, but let's take some questions. If there are any questions related to these things, I will take. If not, I can explain you one or two more tools also. Yes, it's open for questions now.
Madam, I think we'll go for more tools, madam, because in the process, if they can raise questions, we will check in the chat box.
Okay, fine then, ma'am. So we are done with ChatGPT, this one, and what is the all missing? Yeah, let's go with Prezi. So even Prezi also. Prezi is only for creating your presentation. QueryPod is different. Can you just tell me QueryPod what it is doing? QueryPod is creating a PowerPoint presentation and also it is
With
asking some
assignments.
questions. Yeah, it is like an assignment. But whereas Prezi is just a normal presentation, what PPT, what we do in our classroom. So here you can go to all projects, you can go to new presentation, you can create with AI or you can create from the template that was there, and or you can manually you can start. Okay, so not just using our Microsoft PowerPoint, you can use so many different tools here in Prezi and you can present. But there is one disadvantage in Prezi. It is you can't download it as a PPT. Okay, you can't download the Prezi one with a free version. Maybe premium version you can download it, but for the free version, whatever we are using, you can't download it like a PPT. Or you should present only from the Prezis, from the Prezi. Okay, so here let's create one PPT. Can anyone just tell me some topic? On which topic you want? Any other topic? Anyone? Can anyone tell me the topic name?
ACT tools, ma'am.
ICT tools. Okay. So ICT tools for teachers. Okay. And so I will use your answer to suggest design ideas. See, for example, so I'm just typing for your presentation. Let me do the same thing. Some issue with my, yeah. So create a PPT for a lecture on ICT based tools for teachers of higher education. Okay, and let me give some examples to that. Okay, so that it will talk about only that. Quizzes, QueryPod, okay, Edpuzzle. So like that, some tools. And or for example, you have your existing PPT, but you want to make a animated version of that, you can upload also. Okay, so here I am just asking to generate AI itself. So just at puzzle demo, I can tell at puzzle demo. Okay, let me generate with this simple one. So now the Prezi AI, it will automatically do. So here, if you want, you can give the PDF, the existing PPT, and it will enhance it with so many beautiful images, AI-based images. It will beautify, it will improvise your content. For content creation, we can use these tools. But as I said you, so one thing, because even in QueryPod you can download, but in Prezi you can't download the PPT. You can't download in our .ppt format or .pptx format. So it takes some time, but it is doing. It is, yeah. So it has generated, and see here, this is the exact version, and you can go to the editor also. If you want to edit the existing one, you can edit. Okay, before editing, maybe let's go to editor only, editor version. Okay, so editing, and see, this is my first slide. See the second slide, introduction to ICT tools, definition of ICT tools, importance, overview of available tools, and exploring the tools like quizzes, features of quizzes, creating quizzes, engaging students, and QueryPod. So like that, each one, it is explaining, as I asked, benefits for the students, designing lessons, at puzzles. So like that, automatically it is giving. So like that, for our classroom, for our normal class, for our regular classroom, whatever we teach in the class. So there, I think we have our already existing PowerPoint presentations might be there, lecture notes might be there, so that you can upload here, and you can make the things more interesting, more aesthetically good presentations can be done using this Prezi. Okay, so even you can edit these slides also. So you can edit, you can delete, so you can change the text color, you can modify, you can add the video or image, okay, or some stickers, so many things. Okay, even you can add a PowerPoint presentation, you can upload. Say in the existing one, you want to upload some existing PowerPoint, some another PowerPoint. So these are all my other presentations. So you can upload the old presentations, and you can enhance them also. Okay, upload. So PPT, PDF also you can upload, and it will convert that PDF into this PowerPoint, charts, shapes, everything. So let's see the start presenting like a presenter's view, how it will be. And so this is how the presenter view will be. Maybe some issue with my internet connection. Yeah, so for presenting, yeah, I'll go to present, start present here. Yeah, so like this, we can present the things. Okay, so this is also like one app that anyone can use. So, and not only this, even I think Turnitin, hope everyone know Turnitin. But at the
Yes, ma'am.
disadvantage, Turnitin, I think, yeah, because all
The plagiarism.
yeah, for plagiarism check. Not only for plagiarism check, even for our assignments, also for student assignment, it can use. But only the disadvantage of Turnitin is everyone needs that login. So if you, all the teachers, but I think most of the teachers may not have the access of Turnitin software. So that is the reason. If not, even for our assignments, whatever the students they are submitting, So we can upload that into the Turnitin. So even Turnitin is something like a LMS platform only. You can have your assignment, you can add the student mail IDs so that the students will post their assignments to the Turnitin, and there itself automatically it will check the plagiarism. The thing is, you can't copy, the another student can't copy the same thing. So everyone has to write on in their own words. So it will check from where you have copied. Same like our Turnitin report. I think all of you would have done your PhD, so we know regarding this plagiarism report. So like that same plagiarism report, it will be imported. It will be given to the each and every student. It will go to their email ID. Like, okay, so this is your assignment, and this is the percentage of your copied percentage, 25 percentage, 15 percentage, and from which topic it was covered. So all these things will be covered in this Turnitin. Turnitin comes under these feedback only. Okay, so Turnitin can be used there. Even Google Classroom also, I think you all know. Even in Google Classroom, will give, right, when once the students submit the assignment, so individually you can give the feedback to them. So we'll be giving the students, so once they submit, I think, so here once I go to grades, so these are all my students and these are their marks. Okay, I think some old one has come. Okay, so these are their see, these are assignments and their marks. Okay, just I have given like, because it is 10 marks completely as for assignments, 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, 2 marks completely, some 6 marks here, and 4 marks for some other presentation, some material of the day, some seminar presentation they will be doing. Okay, so like that, we'll be evaluating the students' assignments. So here individually we can do. For example, we want to see the assignment submitted by this roll number 1, Anil Rao. So here I can go to assignment, check his PDF here. Okay, so this is his PDF. I think this 2021 is something like almost in Corona period. So that is the reason, just they don't have A4 sheets, so randomly they have submitted this one. So here I can grade the marks. For example, if this is not the correct answer for that, I can give the private comment here. Okay, so resubmit it with so and so, like that. I can do the things and I can post it. So this is the feedback that was given to each and every student individually. So like that, we can post it, we can return the document back so that they will change the things in the assignment and they will submit it back. So such options are available. I think let me show with my recent this is disturbing always. Yeah. So like that, we can do the things. Okay, so this is all about our thing. So this is my, so even you can archive. I think actually earlier I have archived one, but these days just I'm not archiving. Even if you are not using regularly, you can archive the Google Classroom things also, so that whenever you want to restore, you can just simply restore. Okay, actually this was there in archive mode, so that is the reason it is not coming. So you can restore it so that it will come up here in the Google Classrooms. Okay, so like that, we can use. Okay, so this is my SEEB, this is my regular students. So like that, we can add all these query pod, Edpuzzle, whatever you have learned. So you can integrate them to our regular Google Classroom, and we can use these things. Okay, so that's it from my end. So, and any questions? Yes, I am happy to answer. Regarding these tools, any tools, whatever I told in Google Classroom or in all these tools. So, any questions are there? Yes, I am ready to answer.
Hello, madam.
Yes, sir.
Madam, you said it in the Prezi that content we can create, but it is not possible to download, right,
Yes,
ma'am?
sir.
But how to show it to the students, madam? Then we cannot download
Directly,
it. Then we have to copy.
directly what I have done now, sir. Similarly.
Yeah, so like that we have to show to the students directly over there.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir. Go to Prezi.
So we,
Only thing is internet is required.
yeah. So we have to show to the students inside the class by opening that Prezi in the
Yeah, you
in
should
front
go
of the
to
students
Prezi.
itself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is only.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
That is only the disadvantage, sir. Except that.
Yeah, because students knows that we are took the data from that Prezi like that. They knows that now, madam. If
Yes,
we
sir.
do that
Yes,
in
sir.
front of the
Yeah,
students.
yeah. That happens, sir.
That's what. Thank you, ma'am. Yep.
But if you don't want to know that, then you should purchase the premium version.
Okay, that's what. Okay,
If you purchase the premium version, you can do wonders, sir. So
then I can download.
yeah,
It.
you can download. So many other options also have come. You can add
Okay,
things will be there. See, only
okay, ma'am.
QueryPod, EdPuzzle. With the free version, these are enough, sir. Normally.
Yeah. Just I'm asking only the case of Prezi,
Yeah,
madam. That's
Prezi,
all.
yeah.
There's
Yeah,
QueryPod is
okay.
different.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, anyone?
Okay.
Madam,
Let me stop sharing. Yes.
see, any of these tools, especially the assessment tools, can we share them through the WhatsApp groups, madam?
Yes, ma'am. All these things you can share. If I am sharing it in Google Classroom, see, I think when I have shown the quizzes, all these things, you have got a copy link.
Okay.
Copy the link and paste it in WhatsApp group. That can be done, ma'am.
Okay, madam. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone else?
There's one question here, madam. Can you please suggest some free tools for recording our video content other than Screencastify, as time limit is only for 20 to 30 minutes?
I think screencast only, sir. I think maybe our Balaji sir would have told you about Balaji. No, I think he didn't come, right? Okay. But for recording, I'm not good in this, sir. Normally, I think even 20 to 30 minutes video is enough, sir, for a student. True. Because students may not be much interested with a 1 hour, 2 hours, like a movie. They are not interested, I think, with our lectures, sir.
Yes, true.
So I think 20 to 30 minutes is suggestible. See, that is the reason this podcast and everything has come. So I think Jeevan Jyoti, ma'am. So I think 20 to 30 minutes were enough, ma'am. Because student may not show much interest, right?
Yes, that's true. And it can be made more interactive with questions.
Yeah, more interactive. So you can add like EdPuzzle. See, you make a first video content and later you can use this EdPuzzle and you can add this assessment part there.
Yes.
See, if they didn't understand the concept, they will go back. They will see, for a slow learner. So he will rewind the video. And once he understands the concept, then only he can answer. Once he answers, then only he can move to the next step. If not, he can't complete. Without seeing the complete video, he can't answer. He or she can't answer.
Correct.
Yeah. Any further questions?
Any further questions? If participants don't have questions, can I call Ruchika?
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, one doubt.
So,
Madam, any particular AI tools for regarding the research and how to write the paper writings and journals, madam?
sir, there are so
Actually,
many tools, sir. ResearchPal, and even the chat PDF, whatever I have said, sir, chat PDF. All these research oriented only, sir. I think so many, I think ChatGPT, Gemini, Quillbot, so many tools are there, sir. ResearchPal is one, and literature. ResearchPal is one where you can review this literature review, where you can refine your literature review, sir.
I- What are the in the statistical tools, which methods we are using? In that, we can use the AI tools, madam, and not only
Statis-
the introduction part and re of literature.
oh,
So I'm
perfect.
asking the statistical tools related to AI tools.
Okay. Statistical tools, sir. I don't think so. We should only depend on these AI generated ones, sir, because they will give you some different concepts, sir. Normal, I think regularly for data analysis, we use R, Origin, MATLAB. I think these are enough, sir. MATLAB, Origin Lab for getting your graphs, all the things.
Correct. Right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Ruchika.
Thank you, ma'am. That was a really wonderful session. I would now request our head of the Department English and IQAC coordinator, Ms. Vidilata, who has been instrumental in organizing this FTP, to speak few words.
Thank you, Ruchika. Good evening, everyone. As we bring this transformative 5-day faculty development program on empowering educators through ICT tools, AI, and flipped classroom strategies to a close, it's my privilege as the IQAC coordinator to convey our heartfelt gratitude to all those who contributed to its success. Firstly, a sincere thanks to Dr. T. Nagaveni Madam, Associate Director of UGC, Malavia Mission Teacher Training Center, and Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering at Osmania University. Madam, your invaluable guidance, encouragement, and support have been a cornerstone of this program, to tell the truth. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been possible for me to get all those good people, expert resource persons coming together.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
We are deeply grateful to our esteemed resource persons for their expert contributions. Dr. Tyagi Surya, Assistant Professor in the School of Education, Central University of Kerala, who enlightened us on innovative teaching practices and the integration of ICT tools in education. Dr. Deepak Bishla, IT Head, Department of IT, whose sessions on advanced AI tools and their practical applications left us inspired and better prepared to embrace technology in teaching. Professor K. Srinivas, Head of ICT and Project Management Unit, NEPA, whose insight into project-based learning and ICT strategies were truly eye-opening and impactful. Dr. B.S. Balaji, Professor JNU, who shared valuable strategies for incorporating flipped classroom models to enhance student engagement and learning outcomes. And today's resource person, Dr. T. Nagaveni Madam, whose comprehensive perspective on integrating AI and modern pedagogical strategies provided a holistic understanding to all the participants. Your collective expertise and engaging sessions have empowered our educators, equipping them with the tools and strategies necessary for creating more dynamic and impactful learning environments. To our enthusiastic participants, your dedication and active involvement have been instrumental in making this FDP a huge success. We are confident that you leave this program not only enriched, but also motivated to implement these learnings in your teaching practices. In conclusion, we believe this FDP has truly empowered every educator who participated, paving the way for transformative teaching in higher education. We look forward to returning with another impactful program that will continue to enhance the quality of education. Thank you all once again for your unwavering support, commitment, and collaboration. Let us move forward together to create a brighter future for education. Thank you, one and all. Now to Ruchika for proposing vote of thanks for today's program.
Thank you. As we approach the end of the program, I would like to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone involved. Firstly, I would like to thank Dr. Nagaveni ma'am. Thank you for sharing your valuable insights and expertise with us today. Your presentation was informative and engaging. The demo was great addition to help us understand the concepts better. We appreciate the time and effort you took to prepare and deliver this session. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to extend my thanks to all the participants. Thank you for your active engagement, insightful questions, and your willingness to learn. Your participation has been vital to the success of this program, and we hope that the knowledge and skills you have gained will benefit both the students and the institution. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the head of the department, Ms. M. Vidyalata ma'am, the guiding force behind our efforts, for her invaluable support in organizing this faculty development program. Ma'am has played a pivotal role in organizing this faculty development program, recognizing the necessity for enhanced technology in professional lives of the facilitators. Her dedication and hard work, particularly during the critical period of submitting the AQAR, are truly commendable. Her leadership and commitment have significantly contributed to the success of this initiative, and we sincerely appreciate her efforts. I would like to express my gratitude to our organizing team. Your tireless efforts in planning, coordinating, and executing this program have made it all possible, and we deeply appreciate your hard work. As we conclude this program today, I request all the participants to turn on your videos so that we can take a screenshot. As we conclude this program today, we hope the connections we have made, the knowledge we have shared, and the inspiration we have gained will stay with us. May these experiences continue to motivate us to explore the exciting possibilities of AI tools and incorporate them into our teaching practices. Thank you once again. And I kindly request all the participants to take a few minutes and provide your valuable feedback. Please click on the feedback link that will be shared with you. Let us know about your experience today. Your input will help us to improve and make our future programs even more effective. Thank you. Thank you once again, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Vidyalata ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam. We are really grateful for your help, madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, and congratulations, ma'am, for successfully completing this workshop.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you all.
Yes, thank you. Banu, Jessica? Is anybody there here?
I'm clicking, ma'am. I'm clicking the pics.
Yes.
We are done, ma'am.
Thank you all for joining. Please give your feedback. The session will be open for 5 minutes. You have 2 feedbacks, day 5 feedback and the overall feedback. Please submit both of them.
Ma'am, Google form asking request, ma'am.
Google form.
Yeah, Google form is asking us, yeah.
Okay.
Mail ID it is asking, madam.
Yeah. Shall we give it?
Please, madam.
Okay, thank you. Okay, sure.